Hello there, Vanagon addicts. It's Ken Wilford here at Vanagon. I'm trying to get ready to put my dashboard back together in our Carat here that we've been restoring. Now, my definition of restoration, a lot of it is just getting it to the point where everything works. Okay, so right now that's what kind of mode we're in. And we talked about these grounds before. I just wanted to kind of show you what I found. So you can kind of see this one, these two, okay. And there's 3 of these grounding points here. 2 of them looked kind of good, and they were the easiest ones to get to and see. In the center of this star, there is a Phillips head, so you can, loosen that, pull this down out of the way. I mean, this one looks nice. Maybe the last people cleaned it, I don't know. But then there was another one that was hiding behind the other 2, and what's kind of making me investigate is that the wipers, or the washer squirter, is not working. Okay, and the ground for that is right here, and you can see this humongous ground right here, probably for the radiator fan. It looks like garbage. Okay, so the fix for this is take these star things out, unplug all the plugs on here, check them, make sure they're not totally garbage. Sometimes they'll look like they're plugged in, you got to unplug them and they just kind of aren't, because these 2 little pieces start to bend out because of rust and corrosion, and they'll just come off with the slightest touch. Okay, these ones are on here, they're kind of welded on here by corrosion and stuff, but we're gonna get it off. So I'm basically gonna unplug all of these. I have a bead blaster. I'm gonna put this crown thing in the bead blaster, clean it up so it looks like new, and probably just cut some of these ends off and splice on new ends, because it's not even worth the trouble, of trying to clean these up because of how bad they are. So that's what my next plan is. I will try to bring you guys back and show you the end result before we get ready to put this dash back together.